One integral is given to us, integration 2x divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 into dx. Now simply put x square is equal to small t. If you differentiate, you will be getting 2x is equal to dt by dx, or can I say 2x into dx is nothing but this is dt. So simply replace this 2x into dx by dt, so it will become dt divided by, this is nothing but t, x square is t, so can I write this is nothing but simply t plus 1 into this is t plus 3. Now let me use the partial fraction, so can I say 1 divided by t plus 1 into t plus 3 can be written as a divided by t plus 1 plus b divided by t plus 3. Now in first case, what you have to do, you can left hand side will remain as it is, 1 divided by t plus 1 into t plus 3. So this is equal to, this is t plus 1 into t plus 3, so that it will become a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1. What will happen? This and this is cancel out. So can I say 1 is equal to a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1. Now in first case you have to put t plus 1 is equal to 0. So what will happen? T is equal to minus 1. So when you put t is equal to minus 1, left hand side will remain same, it will become 0. So a into this is minus 1 plus 3, so that it will become 2. So what is the value of a? It will become 1 by 2. So the value of a is 1 by 2. So can I put here? Yes. So the value of a is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2. Now in second case, what we have to do, we have to simply put t plus 3 is equal to 0. So t is equal to minus 3. So 1 is equal to, this is b into minus 3 plus 1. So 1 is equal to, this is minus 2. So what is the value of b? This is minus 1 by 2. So we have calculated the value of a and b. So let me put the value of b as minus 1 by 2. So can I say the value of b is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So finally you can put, so it will become 1 by 2 is outside, it will become integration 1 divided by t plus 1 into dt minus 1 by 2 is outside, integration 1 divided by 1 plus, or you can write 3 plus t into dt. So you can write this as 1 by 2 is outside, it will become log of mod of t plus 1 with base e, minus it will become log of mod of t plus 3 plus c, or you can write like this, this is 1 by 2 log of mod of t plus 1 divided by t plus 3 plus c. And what is the value of small t? It is x square. So 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 3 plus c is the answer. So this is the final answer. Thank you.